How to add transition between clips in VN. Smooth transitions make your videos look professional, and here's how to add them in VN Video Editor. On the timeline, tap the small white box between two clips. This opens the transition options, or you can even find the transition option in the bottom toolbar. Browse through styles like fade, slide, or zoom and tap the one you want to apply. Adjust the transition duration by dragging the edges if needed. Keep transitions consistent to maintain a smooth flow throughout your video. What transition style do you use most? Share your favorite one in the comments below. And that's how you can add transitions between clips in VN Video Editor. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.